Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Basics.
Today we're going to explore English vocabulary for the classroom. Whether you're a student or a teacher, these words and phrases will help you communicate confidently in English.
That's right, Alex. We'll cover basic classroom objects, common phrases, and important terms used in learning environments. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the objects you see in a classroom. Alex, can you name some?
Sure. Some common classroom objects are desk, the table where students sit; chair, what you sit on; blackboard or whiteboard, a large board where teachers write; marker, used for writing on a whiteboard; chalk, used for writing on a blackboard.
Good examples, Alex. Let's explain them with some sentences.
Of course. Please sit at your desk and open your books. Write your answer on the whiteboard.
Here are more objects. Notebook, a small book for writing notes. Textbook, a book used for learning a subject. Ruler asterisk asterisk, a tool to measure or draw straight lines. Eraser asterisk asterisk, something used to erase pencil marks.
Let's use these in sentences. Don't forget to bring your notebook to class. Don't forget to bring your notebook to class. Use a ruler to draw a straight line.
Next, let's practice some common classroom phrases. These are very useful for students and teachers.
Let's start with phrases teachers use. Please pay attention. Open your books to page 10. Can anyone answer this question? Good job. Well done.
Now, here are phrases students use. Can I borrow a pencil?
I don't understand this.
May I go to the restrooms? Could you explain that again, please?
These are excellent for practicing polite communication in the classroom.
Let's talk about the people you find in a classroom. Alex, who do you think of first?
The teacher, of course.
Exactly.
Let's learn these words. Teacher asterisk asterisk, the person who teaches. Student asterisk asterisk, someone who learns. Classmate asterisk asterisk, a fellow student in the same class. Principal asterisk asterisk, the head of a school.
Let's use them in sentences. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. Each student must complete the homework. My classmate helped me with the project.
Great examples. Now, let's learn some verbs or actions commonly used in the classroom.
Sure. Some important ones are write asterisk asterisk, to form letters or words. Read asterisk asterisk, to look at and understand written words. Draw asterisk asterisk, to make pictures or shapes. Raise your hand asterisk asterisk, to signal that you want to speak or ask a question.
Let's create sentences. Please write your name at the top of the page. We will read a story today. Can you draw a picture of your families?
Other actions include speak asterisk asterisk, to say something aloud. Listen asterisk asterisk, to hear and pay attention. Erase asterisk asterisk, to remove writing.
Good job, Alex.
Every classroom has rules. Let's discuss some common ones.
Sure. Here are some. Be on time. Keep your desk clean. Respect your teacher and classmates. Raise your hand before speaking.
Why are these important?
They help create a positive learning environment.
Technology is common in modern classrooms. Let's learn some words related to it.
Yes. Some examples are computer asterisk asterisk, a machine for work or learning. Projector asterisk asterisk, a device that displays images on a screen. Tablet asterisk asterisk, a small, flat computer.
Sentences. The computer is used for research. We watched a video using the projector. We've covered so much today. Classroom objects, phrases, roles, actions, rules, and technology.
That's right. Don't forget to practice these words and phrases.
Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next lesson.
Bye.